100 F450 F wide temperature range. Industry-leading temperature range allows you to make various foods, anything from crispy chicken to delicious cakes. Max 450 F can cook 30% faster and brown wings more easily. 100 degrees Fahrenheit is the ideal temperature to make yogurt. Compact design, space-saving body takes up less room and fits perfectly in small cooking areas. 4-quart capacity is spacious to cook food for you and your sweetheart at once. Less to no oil. Dreo digital air fryer cooks food through rapid 360 degrees air circulation and provides evener, crispier results, with 95% less oil than traditional deep frying, allowing you to enjoy guilt-free foods with less fat. Powerful 9 functions, 1-touch preheat and 8 presets help you unfreeze, bake, cook, crisp, dehydrate and quickly reheat your foods. Use the default settings or change the time and temperature to customize your own cooking process. 50 healthy recipes, included recipe book curated by Do Culinary Chefs offers step-by-step instructions for each meal and a quick guide for cooking frozen food. You'll never run out of ideas on what to cook. Top reviews from the United States. Love the Dreo, great customer service. This was our second air fryer, our first Dreo. Very satisfied with the operation and cooking. After 7 months it quit. We contacted Dreo customer service who were top-notch. Excellent communication. We were asked to send a short video of the problem. We had a replacement in 7 days. Be sure to register your product to get 5 years extended warranty for free.